guys, it's Fatbunny, and today I'm doing another video, and this is like a test if my videos are working now. And this is Birthday's laptop, not mine. So yeah, we'll try and work out how to fix it on my laptop, but for now it's gonna have to be this laptop. And yeah, because if mine like starts to record, it just like won't let me add my username, which will make it so I can't post it on my channel. So I have to go on this laptop and then it will post onto my channel, which is weird for some reason. So yeah, this was just a test. And if you are seeing this video and it's a test, well, we're keeping it up. So yeah, this is just a little short video, and yeah, I'm just gonna post it now, and bye.